If every time you step into a tech meeting or read a programming article, you feel like half the terms are unfamiliar, you're not alone. In this video, we're going to explain 20 common programming terms that you hear all the time but might not fully understand in a simple and practical way. So stick around till the end, because we'll start with easy ones and gradually move toward terms that are critical in real-world projects and companies. 20. IDE Integrated Development Environment. A tool used for writing, editing, testing, and debugging code. Examples: VS Code, PyCharm. Coding without an IDE, like cooking without a knife. 19. API, Application Programming Interface. A way for two different software systems to talk to each other. Think of it as a bridge between your phone and a server. 18. Debugging. The process of finding and fixing errors in your code. A crucial skill for every developer. 17. Framework. A ready-made structure that helps speed up software development. Examples: Django for Python, React for JavaScript. 16. Version control. A system for tracking code changes over time like Git. Used in all professional development environments. 15. Object-oriented programming, OOP. A programming style based on objects, involving concepts like classes and inheritance. RESTful API. A design style for building APIs that is simple, readable, and standardized. 13. Dependency. When your project relies on external packages or code. Learning to manage dependencies is very important. 12. Deployment. The process of putting your code on a server or online so users can access it. For example, launching a website. 11. Frontend backend. Frontend is what the user sees UI. Backend is the behind-the-scenes logic and database operations. 10. Algorithm. A step-by-step logical method for solving a specific problem. The foundation of programming thinking. 9. Data structure. Different ways to store and organize data, like arrays, linked lists, trees, and graphs. 8. CI/CD. Continuous integration, continuous delivery. Automated processes for testing and deploying software faster and more reliably. 7. Container. A method of running applications in isolated, portable environments that work across any system. 6. Authentication versus authorization. Authentication equals who are you? Authorization equals what are you allowed to access? 5. Refactoring. Rewriting code without changing what it does to improve readability and performance. 4. Unit test. Writing small tests to check whether individual parts of your program work correctly. 3. Git branching. Creating separate branches of your project to test or build new features without affecting the main version. 2. JSON JavaScript Object Notation. A simple, standardized format for exchanging data between systems. Commonly used in APIs. 1. Stack Overflow moment. That moment when you're stuck, and your only hope is searching on Stack Overflow. But the real skill? Learning how to search smart, not just copy-pasting answers. Well, that was 20 essential programming terms you'll encounter over and over in your career journey. If you've made it this far in the video, it means you're truly serious about learning. Make sure to drop a comment and tell us which of these terms was new to you, and if there's another term on your mind, let us know so we can cover it in the next episode.